Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI. Now for all of you whiskey lovers, bourbon lovers, cognac lovers, or anyone who just enjoys a nice, cold, neat drink without ice, because everybody knows that if you put ice in your drink, it's going to dilute it. I got the perfect product for you. Now these are marble whiskey stones, and they are fantastic. Let me tell you, all you have to do is put them in the freezer, and it freezes like an ice cube. And when you're ready to pour yourself a drink, maybe you can pour yourself a nice whiskey and drop 4 of these rocks, as you can see, into the glass, and it's gonna chill it in such a beautiful way that you're gonna enjoy your drink without diluting and changing the flavor. I absolutely love these stones. And the fact that they come in a 12-pack is even better, because that means you can actually share with your friends. And everybody knows that sharing is caring. So overall, these stones are perfect for anyone who enjoys whiskey or any spirits. And I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.